Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Snapchat to any MacBook. Now macOS doesn't have an official Snapchat app you can download, but there's a simple way to make it feel like one. First, open Safari. You can do that by pressing Command plus space, typing Safari, and hitting Enter. Once Safari is open, head over to the Snapchat website by typing snapchat.com in the address bar and pressing Return. When the page has fully loaded, go to the top menu bar, click on File, and then select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up asking you to name it. Just call it Snapchat, or whatever you like. Then click Add. Now check your dock. You'll see a Snapchat icon there. When you click it, Snapchat will open in its own separate window. It won't look like Safari, it'll feel just like a standalone app. And that's it. You've basically turned Snapchat into an app on your Mac. It's quick, easy, and works perfectly. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.